is rather awkward. What? Oh, nothing with you. You're fine. Who am I? Shouldn't that be your number one concern right now? Well, no, I think it's best I wait to tell you that later. Sorry if I'm assuming wrong, but you're not a smoker, are you? Okay, I thought as such. Well, then there's the least that I can do. Just staying here. Oh, yeah, I know no one's came here for you. I'm very aware, as a matter of fact. Again, you know what? I think I should just tell you. I am probably going to be the last thing that you see, along with these white walls. Oh, yes, definitely. You're terminally sick for nearly 2 weeks now, right? Yeah, that's usually the expiration date for people like you. As much as it hurts to say and hear. Why am I here? Well, other than that, you don't appeal to... Well, sorry. It's quite clear that nobody is, well, going to be with you in these final moments. And times like these, I like to, well, stay there for them. Why? Well, I mean, I have my reasons, but I won't tell you. I mean, I could tell you, because, well, you'll die with my secrets. I'm sorry, I'm an awful person, I know. But I know you won't be able to tell anyone. But honestly, I'll be honest, this is the saddest I've been knowing what I know. Yeah, so I need to be honest with you, and I might as well tell you why I'm always here on these fateful days. I myself have died alone. You can call me whatever. You can call me poltergeist or whatever may have you. But one thing's for certain, I am definitely not completely physical here. I mean, I can always grab things, but I'm not really physical. And honestly, if anyone else walks in here, they'll think that you're talking to yourself. And while you're talking to yourself, they might be thinking that you're lifting things over telekinesis. It's a stupid world we live in, I'll tell you that. But I'm getting sidetracked here. I know you don't have much more time, so I think it's about time I stopped babbling on. Sorry. Yes, I'll let you hold my hand again, of course. If it's all you need at these final moments, then I am proud to give. before you go, I'll have you know that we will be meeting again, and I will be very glad to see you. There is much more that I would love to say, but don't have time for right now. But for this moment, be at peace. I know that some have left you behind and downright wronged you, but there's always someone on your side. No matter who it may be, they're there. And I'm out of words to say, honestly. Just understand there's always someone out there for you, even if you don't think so, especially in dire times like these. Anyhow, see you on the flip side, my best friend.